Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying comparison for you. It's the battle of the security cameras. In the left corner, we have the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K, and in the right corner, we have the Yi Pro 2K home security camera. Let's dive into the ring and see which one will knock out the competition. Let's start with the most crucial aspect of any security camera, the video quality. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K boasts a stunning 4 megapixels HD resolution, delivering ultra-clear image quality day and night. It's like having your own personal movie theater surveillance system. Now, let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K features advanced Starlight night vision, providing full-color video even in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to those grainy black and white surveillance videos. Let's move on to the battle of storage options. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K allows you to store your data locally with an extra SD card or in the cloud. Plus, they offer loop recording with no storage limit, ensuring your footage is always secure and accessible. Now, let's see what extra tricks these cameras have up their sleeves. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K not only captures panoramic views with its 360 degrees viewing angle, but also features motion detection with tracking alerts and customizable sensitivity. And guess what? It even has two-way audio and a 110 decibels alarm siren to scare away any unwanted intruders. And now, let's talk about everyone's favorite aspect, the price. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K is priced at $69, while the Yi Pro 2K home security camera comes at a more affordable price of $22. It's like getting a high-quality security camera without breaking the bank. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K is highly praised for its performance and features. Reviewers mention excellent coverage, day and night vision, responsive motion detection, and the audible alarm as standout features. The ease of installation and user-friendly app are also appreciated. On the other hand, the Yi Pro 2K home security camera receives rave reviews for its picture and audio quality, easy setup, and versatile storage options. Reviewers mention the intuitive app and the choice between cloud services and using a memory card. The affordable price of the Yi Pro 2K home security camera is also highlighted. Overall, both cameras have their strengths, but the Yi Pro 2K home security camera has exceptional video quality, powerful night vision, advanced storage options, and additional smart features, making it the winner in this comparison. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest videos. And as always, keep buying smart.